Stoic philosophy, with its roots in ancient Greece, has long been regarded as a source of wisdom and guidance for navigating life's challenges. While some argue that Stoicism embodies principles that can be interpreted as promoting gender equality, others maintain that its historical context and inherent biases may limit its applicability to contemporary feminist ideals. Stoicism emphasizes rationality, self-control, and virtue as the keys to a flourishing life. These principles are, in theory, applicable to individuals regardless of gender. Stoic thinkers such as Seneca and Epictetus underscored the importance of reason and virtue, suggesting that personal excellence should be the focus of one's life. From this perspective, Stoicism could be seen as advocating for equality by prioritizing individual character over external factors like gender. However, the historical context of Stoicism must be considered. Ancient societies, including those that gave rise to Stoic philosophy, were deeply patriarchal. While Stoic principles may have been applied to both men and women, the social structures of the time limited women's agency and participation in public life. The Stoic emphasis on accepting and adapting to one's circumstances could be seen as reinforcing the status quo rather than challenging gender inequality. In the context of modern feminism, critics argue that Stoicism may fall short of addressing the specific challenges faced by women. Feminism seeks not only individual empowerment but also systemic change to dismantle gender-based inequalities. Stoicism's focus on personal virtue, while valuable, might be insufficient in addressing the broader societal structures that perpetuate gender disparities. In conclusion, Stoic philosophy can be interpreted as symbolizing a form of equality by emphasizing universal principles of reason and virtue. However, its historical context and individualistic approach may limit its alignment with the broader goals of contemporary feminism, which seeks comprehensive societal change to achieve true gender equality.